In this video, we will describe how students and supervisors can plan for time, document time, and verify time. Throughout the placement experience, the student and the FI and TES will complete the learning plan, timesheets, assignments, and midterm and final evaluations. During the first week of the placement, the student will develop a schedule of hours. This schedule is not necessarily a fixed document, but it is a working one. As conferences, absences, or other situations arise, the schedule may change to make room for those opportunities. This document lists the field hours as well as supervision hours. The student must plan for minimum hours needed for the term, and cushion hours are encouraged so there is wiggle room for absences. The blocks of time must not be fewer than 4 hours. The FI and TS will approve the schedule. It is encouraged that all parties collaborate on this together to ensure agreement among them. The schedule of hours serves as a guide, but the student will document their time at the agency and in supervision with the timesheets located in the field manual. Like many of the documents, the schedule and timesheets can be found in the field manual on the department's website. This is an example in the field manual of what the schedule will look like. Students will edit the weeks, fill in their hours, and with the help of their FI and TS, they can turn this in signed to their instructor for the field course. This is an example of the timesheet. Students input their time spent at the agency and it calculates and adds up the number of hours. When they put in their prior month total, it also calculates that into their total accumulation for the semester so far. Timesheets are a typed document with the exclusion of signatures, and each timesheet runs month by month. The timesheets are to be signed and submitted by the student to the FFL. It is encouraged that the TS and FI record and verify time on their own and that they sign off on time that he or she is accountable for. Time is documented by quarter of an hour, or 15 minutes, and we encourage students to check their math on their sheets to ensure the hours are added up correctly. The field manual provides an Excel sheet that can do the math, but improperly documented time does not count. Any discrepancies in time should be discussed and resolved with the student. In the case that discrepancies cannot be resolved, the issue must be reported to the FFL. Again, if there are any questions or concerns, feel free to contact the social work department at ISU.